Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Zorin OS and Manjaro. Zorin OS and Manjaro are both popular Linux distributions, but they're designed for different types of users and offer very different experiences. Zorin OS is based on Ubuntu and is made for beginners, especially people who are switching from Windows. It comes with a clean, Windows-like interface that's easy to use and doesn't need much setup. System includes essential software out of the box and it works well even on an older computer. Zorin OS focuses on simplicity, stability, and a smooth user experience. It uses Ubuntu's package system, so it benefits from a huge software library and long-term support. If you want something that just works and feels familiar, Zorin OS is a great choice. Manjaro, on the other hand, is based on Arch Linux, which is known for being fast, powerful, and cutting-edge. Manjaro makes Arch easier to use by offering a beginner-friendly installer and desktop environments like XFCE, GNOME, or KDE. It gives you more control over your system and always provides the latest software updates. Manjaro uses a rolling release model, meaning the system updates continuously instead of reinstalling every few years. While this is great for having the latest features, it may also introduce occasional bugs, so it's better suited for users who are comfortable handling updates and fixes. Overall, Zorin OS is better for beginners, casual users, or those who want a simple and stable system that's easy to use right away. Manjaro is better for more advanced users who want newer software, more customization, and faster performance. If you're just starting out with Linux or switching from Windows, Zorin OS is the safer and easier option. If you enjoy customizing your system and don't mind occasional troubleshooting, Manjaro offers more flexibility and power. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.